Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will learn about the comments in JavaScript. So what exactly is a comment? A comment is a piece of text that has no effect on the code execution. Okay, so for example, this console.log prints hello world to our console, right? Now we want to describe, we want to add a note to us like, hey, this line prints hello world to the console. How we can describe inside of our code? We can use comments to do so. So here, as you can see, if I just go here and add double forward slashes, and then we can add a comment. So something like this. This is a comment. Hit save. As you can see, there is nothing new inside of the console, right? Okay, so this is a comment. This piece of text has no effect on the code execution. All right, but in case if I just remove these two forward slashes, as you can see, we are getting some errors. And if I save that, as you can see, we are getting this error here. Okay, inside of the VS Code, there is a shortcut. So if you do control and forward slash, it will turn that particular line into a comment. Hit save. As you can see, we are getting this one. Also, you can comment out a piece of code here as well. So something like testing. So something like this. So we have done testing. Then what we can do, we can just go here, control and forward slash. As you can see, it is now commented out. Now, if I just save that, as you can see, this line is not being run right now, okay, because it is a comment. So hello world here is now printed out only. All right, so JavaScript comments can be used to explain JavaScript code and to make our code more readable. So what I can do something like this. So let's do something like this. So this will print hello world to the console. Simple enough, right? So this is now explaining what exactly the console log does. Okay, so this is the single line comment which we are currently using. Okay, so JavaScript comments can also be used to prevent execution, like the code execution. Just what we did here, we prevented the code execution for this particular line. Okay, all right, so in JavaScript we are using the single line comments, okay, which is this one. So we can turn one single line to a comment. Okay, also we have multi-line comments in JavaScript as well. So how we can write multi-line comments? Quite easily. Now, to add a multi-line comment, what you can do, you can just add a forward slash, then start, and then start forward slash. This thing denotes the starting of the comment, and this thing denotes the ending of the comment. And here you can write multi-line comments. So this is a multi-line comment. All right. As you can see here, this is a multi-line comment. So in that way, you can add multi-line comments here as well inside of JavaScript. Okay, so it is most common to use single line comments. Block comments are often used for formal documentation. So this sort of comments are used to basically documenting our code. In case if you have seen some code of a library or something like that, you will see this sort of comments all the time to explain and document the code. Okay, but for most of the time, right, for us, single line comments will work properly. Okay, so these are all of the things you need to know about the comments in JavaScript.